Want some cake? Is that for you, Katie? Yum. Is that a cat?
Oh, she's gonna pick up the whole thing. Do you have the shutters?
Take some photos too.
Charlie, you gonna sit down?
Get that camera. Take a picture.
I'm going to take a piece.
Well, she's trying to figure it out.
Oh, well, Charlie can have a little piece up front. Charlie wants a piece. He can cut a piece.
You want to take it?
They've never let me do this before.
You want to take an ear, Charlie?
How about an
No,
ear?
I'm going to take an eye.
An eye?
So I'm going to cut myself.
Okay.
Okay.